Hi, greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, gentle hearts, and how are you today? I'm just out for an afternoon walk, just really appreciating the fact that I can do this. Yeah, so I really want to give thanks, and it's just to kind of just to share with you the sense of gratitude we can always evoke, no matter what's going on in our life. Sometimes we just have to really and truly just pause, put our hand on our heart, inhale, exhale, and just wait for that next breath. Yeah, so just, if things aren't working out so well for you and you really feel stuck in your head, you might feel spaced out or you're totally bogged down, then rather than just sitting there letting those thoughts kind of like go round and round and ruminating, just literally get up. If you can, if you're able to stand up, ground that energy. Really kind of like if you bounce up and down on the, just bounce up and down on the spot. You really want to get that head energy. You want to bring it all the way down the body, down to the soles of the feet, back into the earth. That's probably the quickest way, is just to ground your energy, just to get out of your head and into your body. All right, so those two tips: put your hand on your heart. Where's your heart center? Around here. Sigh out and get that connection between your hands and your heart. Get that connection, and then just start to bounce up and down on the spot. And just see how that feels. Okay, alrighty then, dear friends, you take it easy, just look after yourself, and just always take time just to give thanks and just to acknowledge what's going on in your body. Alright, take care, lots of love. Bye now.